What have your results been?
For VCA, it's 58% since I started.
Hi, thank you for your time. What is your name and where are you from?
My name is Nadine. Thanks for the invitation. And I'm from Germany, close to Stuttgart.
Fantastic, great. Okay, so Nadine, what was your knowledge of trading and investing before you came to us?
I had no knowledge at all. I just know that there is the stock market, but nothing else.
Okay, so you knew it existed. And then, so what made you decide to come on the workshop?
Actually, it was not me. It was my husband, Frank, who Googled about investing and trading, and he got stuck with your homepage. And then we attended the one-day workshop in Stuttgart last year.
The one-day seminar.
Yeah, the one-day seminar.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
yeah, and we were so heavily involved and excited about it that we thought it's got to be a good move forward.
So you both came? You both came together?
Yeah.
Okay, fantastic. And then, so you both did the workshop. What was the best thing about the workshop?
Besides the information you get in a really simple form, it's you guys, you make it really easy, and the people around there and the energy in the room. It's amazing. It's really incredible.
Fantastic. Thank you. What were your goals though for coming on the workshop? Were you looking to like grow your money, get cash flow, a mixture of both?
At the beginning, it was just to get additional cash flow because I thought I'm gonna proceed with my job and so on. But now I'm more on the getting rid of my job one day and being financially free by trading and whatever comes along.
Great. So you're looking to grow your money now.
Absolutely.
Fantastic. All right. And now what everybody wants to know, I'm sure, is what have your results been? Let's start with stocks first. What have your results been?
For VCA, it's 58% since I started.
Fantastic. And what other strategies? I mean, 58% is amazing, no?
Yeah,
Or do you think it's normal now?
I wouldn't say it's for me. I would consider this now as normal. So I have higher standards now, of course.
Yeah.
But I think everyone can do it.
Wow. Okay. Any other strategies that you're using?
Yes, I do Buffalo,
Hmm.
not as much as VCA,
Okay.
but I have for Buffalo I have 11%.
That's fantastic.
Um,
In what kind of a time frame are we talking about here for this?
so I went live in August last year.
Okay. September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June. So we're talking what, 10 months?
Yeah, approximately.
Yeah, that's fantastic. That's amazing. Okay, great. That is really inspirational. I love it. That's fantastic. And question, what about any other things? Are you doing cryptocurrencies, for example?
Yes, I do.
Okay, wonderful. And which strategy are you using there?
I'm trading and investing, so I use the RSI strategy for trading and VCA for investing.
How do you find the RSI contrarian strategy? Is it more difficult than VCA, or is it okay?
It's okay. So it's different, of course, but it's. I don't think it's more. It's harder to use.
How many minutes a day do you oh, what have your results been on the cryptocurrency?
15%, and I'm live since March. Yeah.
Oh, 3 months, 15%. That's great.
Yeah.
Well, that's perfect because we're aiming for 5% a month
Okay.
or more. Yeah, I think you're just starting now. I think you'll do even better than that. But that's fantastic. And how many? So that's three, like almost three or four if you do VCA as well. But so there's a 58%, there's a 15%, and then there's another 15% on the RSI cryptocurrencies. And I think that you'll probably make a lot more than that in cryptocurrencies, especially if you've got some money for the long term. When the next bull market cycle comes, it's going to be fantastic.
Yes.
Yay. Financial freedom, here we come. Amazing. That's what you want, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Brilliant. Okay, exciting. Do you do any investing also in maybe some of the smaller altcoins as well? Or
Yes.
you do? Okay, so you've got some invested there as well.
Mhm.
Because they're going to go up a lot more than Bitcoin. Bitcoin might double, 3 times, whatever, but the other ones, they're going to go up a lot more.
Mhm.
Percentage-wise. Okay, fantastic. How much time do you really, be honest, how much time do you really spend a day?
But for stocks, it's 20 to 30 minutes,
Yeah.
and also for cryptos.
Okay, so okay, because you're part of two clubs, so 20 to 30 minutes on one, and then around 20 to 30 minutes on the other.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and because we tell people 20 minutes, do you think people could do it in 20 minutes if they had to?
Absolutely. If you're
Okay.
experienced,
Why
absolutely.
does it take you longer?
At the beginning, it took me longer because I'm just learning,
Of
and
course.
still I'm learning. I mean, that's there are days I just spend 20 30 minutes, but if there are days I do more because I want to learn more.
Yeah, exactly. So you're continuing your education, which is fantastic. Um, have you been on the Stocks Advanced workshop?
Yes.
Okay, you know we're doing it again in a couple of weeks. We're doing it online. Okay, if
Mm-hmm.
you want to do that again, you can.
Perfect.
What else? What else? What else? What would you say to anybody who is, they're thinking about growing their money, they're thinking about financial freedom, but, does it work? Because there are other companies maybe out there as well. Do the strategies work? What would you say to those people?
If I can do it, everyone can do it. I mean, I'm a good example that it works, even though I had no knowledge about it.
Okay.
And I mean, as I said, what is great about you guys, you're always there. You're always helpful, and also the community around it. You have the forum we can make use of, and I think the collaboration accelerates your results a lot.
Yes.
And that's brilliant. I mean,
Fantastic. Thank you. So do you take advantage of the Wednesday calls in the evenings, or do you go on the Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday calls, the English ones? What do you do?
I do both. I do the German ones and the English ones.
Fantastic. What about if somebody, I'm curious, what if somebody can't speak English? Maybe they understand it, but they can't, or they feel as if they, what people are like with languages. Ah, nee, mein Deutsch ist nicht so gut, and all this kind of stuff. Well, what would you say to people? Could they still participate on the Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday calls?
Absolutely. Because I think people underestimate what they really know and think they're reluctant because that's not their mother language.
Yeah.
But I mean, everyone started, and you grow also your language knowledge through those courses. So it's a win-win situation, actually.
I think that's a great way of looking at it. That's a really good, I'm going to say Einstellung. What's that? What's that in English? Attitude. Well, fantastic. Look, thank you so much. I want to tell you, Nadine, that you're a total inspiration to us at Investment Mastery, all the coaches, and because we talk about the clients a lot, and the admin staff and the traders, the sales team, and everything, because we all know you. But also, you're a total inspiration to, I'm hoping, people watching this as well, who just think, well, what if she can do it, then why can't I do it? I mean, what if they did half of that? What if they didn't do 58%? What if they only did, I don't know, 28% or something? It would still be amazing, right? But then you have another two accounts with 7.5 and 7.5 in. I mean, or more, who knows? So I want to thank you so much for your time, and thanks for being such an inspiration.
Thank you so much for the invitation, Marcus.
And happy anniversary.
Thank you.
Take care.
Take care too. Bye.
Bye.